a bird, the Pacific golden plover. Every winter, these birds migrate from the South Pacific to their breeding grounds in the Arctic, pausing in Hawaii for a pit stop. Just 1,400 years ago, the Hawaiian Islands were uninhabited, undisturbed, undiscovered, a good place to take a breather. The golden plovers set off from south to north as usual. But this time, they were being watched by South Pacific Islanders, the Polynesians. The Polynesians had colonized many South Sea islands, spread over thousands of miles from Tonga to New Zealand. They were fearless seafarers and master navigators who were always looking for new territory. When the plovers flew overhead, the Polynesians suspected the birds might be heading for islands they hadn't yet explored. So they followed the flock into the wild waters of the North Pacific. They couldn't keep up with the streams of birds for long. So each year, they would wait at the same place they'd lost sight of the birds the year before and pick up the chase when the plovers passed overhead. In a remarkable feat of generational stamina, the Polynesians tracked the plovers for almost 400 years, but it paid off. Around 1000 AD, the golden plovers led them to Hawaii. For the seafarers who first laid eyes on it, Hawaii must have been an awe-inspiring sight. But before the Polynesians could become Hawaiians, the islands themselves would have to undergo a dramatic transformation.